Just do it for a wee test drive in the Fiesta, the throttle cable. Stop to you, this big stack of timber.
You're right, it's a Porsche.
What's that? I'm just driving about the posh part of Auchterarder. Something to do with.
Turn to my left, Rolls Royce coupe.
Alright, bit of car spotting.
At the end of the road, we'll go in the next one.
Just going up this other bit, I don't know if we're allowed up here, but we'll just drive a bit, man. See what we can spy.
They're saying it's a country store, so must be a shop up here now.
Must be up to the public then.
Up to the shop, yeah. Saying they're coming to get new wellies or something. Aye, this is, you know, like a lot of the Arabs come over.
Had the car out there for a run. Throttle cable's perfect, so. Next job, get these spotlights back on, these new ones. Well, new second hand ones. First made me brackets. And then just sort them in, tighten them up. What I'll maybe do with the wire is take that grommet out, poke it in and put a bind grommet on it, just till the now. But I'll get my wee ratchet and tighten up this nut and plonk these on. Just running this nut up with a wee quarter drive set. My dad made these brackets, he did a better job than what I would have, so asked him to do it. Quite good, these brackets. He's welded the stud on an M8 stud, and he's done it in such a way so that they sit in, try to mind the name of the word, in that angle with the back of the lamp there. So, yes. See, I had these lying about for years, so I might as well use them. That one's rusty and corroded, so use what I've got. Flat washer, spring washer, and a standard M8 nut. Get the thread on. Yes. Right, I'll get the other one, do the same and then nip them up. See where they sit. Same again with this one. Is it bevel? Is that the word for that? When it's wedged up against like that? An angle? Anyway, tighten this up. Same again, plonk this on. Flat washer, I'm going to have to open the lead. Flat washer. Spring washer. Nut. I put it on my nail up, but then you'd be holding the actual lamp to tighten it, so I'll do that. Right. get these sort of level now and nip them up. What I might need to do is get an edge and put it on it across the front. I had to do that with the escort, the spirit level. I'll just wait till somebody sees it, help me line them up, get a final tighten. Yeah, they don't want them. Oh, squeegee weegeed. Tighten that then, what I thought, there you go. Like that. Oh, you tighten the brackets up a bit more. Right. See if I can stop them fucking moving. That'll be interesting. They're going to get 10mm gear. Right, I'm just nipping this up. Right. I'll need its final tighten once I get them aligned. I could go and get the spirit level, but better wait until somebody's here to give me a wee hand to get them perfect, because they'll annoy me if they're cockeye. Cool. See how they react when I open the bonnet. Should be plenty of clearance. I think they're actually further forward than the other ones I had on it. Yeah, we're good. Yeah, we're good. I say they'll need to be finally aligned like, but nice one. I'll shut this back then. Right, I've got this. This is a fiberglass spoiler. It's a terrible fit in the pickup, so I've got a genuine XR free one coming for the pickup. I'm going to cut this one up and see if I make it fit this Fiesta. Put it on with panhead bolts and riv nuts. You cut it in at 3 bits. Might as well have a go at it. Get a centre point. It's too wide and it's too long.